Hari Om. Today let us discuss about carbon resistor and color codes. Here we will try to understand how to find out the value of resistance of a resistor seeing some color codes. A resistor generally looks like this and it has 4 bands of color mounted on it. These 4 bands of color give us our respective value of resistance of that resistor. Depending on these 4 bands, we can calculate what will be the value of resistance of a given resistor. Alright, and for that, remembering this table is very important. Suppose black, if you have a black band, its value is 0, brown band's value is 1, red is 2, and so on. Gold and silver bands are only used in band 3 and 4. Gold and silver will only be used in the 3rd and the 4th band. And what is the importance of each band? Let us see them right now. The band 1, that is the first band, gives the value of the first digit of the resistance of the resistor. If we see in the diagram shown, the first band here is brown and the value of brown is 1. So the first digit of the resistance is 1. Next, the second band gives the second value, or it gives the value of the second digit of the resistance of the resistor. In the diagram, the second band is green, and if we see the table, the value of green is 5. So now our resistance has become 15. First digit was 1 because of brown, second digit is 5 because of green. So now the resistance is 15. Now the third band gives us the power of 10 that has to be multiplied with the resistance. For example, here the color of the third band is blue, and from the table the value of blue is 6. So we have to multiply 10 to the power 6 to the value of resistance that we have got till now. Till now we had got 15, the resistance value we had got till now as 15. So now if we include the third band, our value becomes 15 into 10 to the power 6. This is the job of the third band. And as we had discussed, gold and silver bands are only used for third and fourth. If third band would have been there, if the third band would have been a golden one, then its value as per the table is -1. So it would have been 15 into 10 to the power -1. If silver would have been there, it would have been 15 into 10 to the power -2. Alright. Now the fourth band gives us the value of tolerance of the resistor. Now the fourth band gives us the value of tolerance of the resistor. Tolerance means how much the resistor can withstand the variation or fluctuation in current or potential difference. There are materials which melt if higher current is flowing. So tolerance as a net, as a whole, gives us idea about how much fluctuation can the resistor withheld or withstand. If the fourth band is not given, then take the tolerance to be 20%. But if the fourth band is golden, then the tolerance is 5%, and for silver the tolerance is 10%. Percentage means it is of the original value. Here we have a golden band, hence the tolerance is 5%. So the net value of resistance becomes 15 into 10 to the power 6 plus minus 5%. 5% of what? 5% of the resistance, that is 15 into 10 to the power 6 plus minus 5% of 15 into 10 to the power 6. So our resistance will become something like this: 15 into 10 to the power 6 plus minus 5 by 100 into 15 into 10 to the power 6 ohms, which if you simplify, you will get 15 plus minus 0.75 into 10 to the power 6 ohms. This is the value of resistance of the resistor that we had used as an example. Alright. Now, how to remember the data given in the table? We have to use some memory aids, which is also called as mnemonics. So you can remember using this. B.B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife wearing gold silver necklace. Using this, you can remember that B is for black, B is for brown, R is for red, and as per the serial, they have their values. B for 0, start from 0, black has value 0, brown 1, red 2, and so on. You can similarly also use another memory aid. Black brown rods of your gate became very good when given silver color. This one is better to remember because in the previous one you had some gaps, or you had some words like of, has, a, which don't have any values. But here all the words except the last one, that is color, have some meaning or have some representative. So you can easily assign values to them and you can remember. Alright. So with this, let us stop here today. We will proceed to the next part in the next video. Thank you.